Okay, here we are today in Delhi with Dr. Rajesh Seth and Liam Simone. Simone? Simone. Can you tell us where we are and why we're here?
All right, so we are at the Sonia Vihar pond. So up down here we have an inlet into the pond coming up from the Sonia Vihar unregistered colony. Majority raw sewage, very dirty water here, and it'll come here, collect in this pond, and at the nice pumping installation there, they're going to pump that ultimately into the Yamuna River. But what we have here in place, if we take a look at the lines of bubble here in the PVC, we have a bubble tubing set up here. So what this will do is this will add aeration to the water, such that the water will have a higher oxygen content, and it'll clean the water.
Okay, thank you. And what is the program? Why are we here? Dr. Seth?
Well, the idea here is, so this project is funded through an Indo-Canadian Center of Excellence called IC Impacts. And the purpose really is to find a way of dealing with widespread diffuse pollution. It's basically similar to raw sewage. That is one of the biggest water pollution challenges in India. So through the program, what we did was, so I'm from the University of Windsor, and we found an Indian partner, which is the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, and Canadianpond is the industrial partner. And so their product, this bubble tubing, is an aeration device. So basically, a lot of what this pollution is organic pollution. So organic, so basically human excreta or waste consumes a lot of oxygen or needs a lot of oxygen, and water has very little capacity. So this bubble tubing is an efficient way of being able to provide that oxygen, so we can clean that water so it can have the oxygen. So in the absence of oxygen, we can have all kinds of nasty things happening, and so the dissolved oxygen is consumed, and that leads to a whole slew of problems, including odor issues, and then toxic gases being released, and so on. And so basically, that is the big idea of showcasing a technology that has actually been used all over the world now. Canadianpond is doing really well. And their bubble tubing is being used for several different applications, similar to this one that we have here as well. And that is really the intent, to be able to show that one of the ways in which we can clean our waterways is by providing this oxygen. And it can be used in combination with other technologies. So some of the stuff that you see there are what are representative of what we call as floating wetlands. We have wetland plants that can add to water purification, but air fundamentally helps clean up the water, as well as provide an additional oxygen for these wetland type of systems.
Okay, thank you.